What's up guys, Eric from B-Side. Today we are here for the Subaru 2024 event and we are very excited just to walk around the show, check out the cars that we sponsor, that we work with, and also some cars that have our product. In addition to that, we have a bunch of friends here who has booths today, so we're gonna go and check them out and see what they have in store, stuff to see and all that good stuff. Stay tuned as we're gonna be going around and showing you as much as we can on this event. Hey, what's up? How you doing?
Good, man.
Yeah, so I want to introduce you guys. Harvey's president for SoCal Subaru. They have a pretty good following over here in Southern California with a lot of Subaru. They do host a lot of events, so if you're around, maybe you guys could check them out on Instagram and so forth. So let me hand the mic over to Harvey so he could tell you a little bit about the club.
Hey, how's it going, guys? It's Harvey from SoCal Subaru. We're based out of Orange County. If you guys are looking to be part of some of our events, feel free to check us out on IG, SoCal_Subaru with 2 U's.
All right, what's up guys? We are here at HKS. If you guys don't know about HKS already, they've been around in the market for a very long time. Of course, made in Japan from the early 90s, I believe. So they've been around super long time. They're one of the pioneers for all these cool JDM performance parts and all that. They are here today at the Subiefest. So I want to hand over the mic to Yume here and she's gonna tell you a little about HKS.
Hi guys, my name is Yume with HKS USA. Thank you, Eric, for coming by our booth. We haven't been to Subiefest in a while, so we thought it was a great opportunity since we just picked up our new VVWRX demo cards behind here. Kind of get a feel for what the scene's like, and also being able to offer the new products that we recently came out with. And yeah, it's been good so far.
Can you tell us a little about your new car? What you guys done to it?
So this is our VVWRX, just picked up. And it currently has our new Liga Max cap back on it, and as well as our Hypermax S suspension, and lowered it on coilovers as much as we can. It was a little hard to get a good fitment, you know, because the stock fenders is, you got to keep it a little conservative before it hits the fenders. And so we lowered it and have our Advan RG4s.
You guys have any engine parts for this? Engine upgrades?
Right now, we're still working on it. We have a lot of parts lined up for the BRZ and the GR86 platform, but with this car, not quite yet, but it's something still in progress. And so as parts come out, we're gonna throw it onto our demo car, and hopefully we'll have a whole new look for later on in the year within it, you know, revealing at other events and whatnot.
Yeah, thanks so much.
Yeah,
it was really good to see you. It's been a few years. right, guys, so we went around, walked around, talked to some vendors, our friends, caught up with a few, and the event has really gone big compared to how it was before. It's been a while since we've been here. Super, super exciting, and next year, hopefully, we'll be able to come out here with the booth. All right, guys, we hope you guys enjoyed this very short walkthrough, the Subiefest 2024. If you haven't yet, help us by subscribing and liking our channel, and if you get enough likes, we will go around and do more of these type of stuff. Thank you very much, and I'll see you guys on the next video.